Say hello to nostalgic vibes with a modern twist. This is the Instax Mini 41, the latest instant camera from Fujifilm that's as stylish as it is fun to use. If you're someone who loves capturing memories instantly while making a statement, you'll want to stick around for this first look. Let's take a look at what you get in a box when you pick up the Instax Mini 41 instant camera. First up, you'll find a matching wrist strap. This little accessory makes it easy to carry the camera around while keeping it safe from accidental drops. Next, we have the star of the show, the Instax Mini 41 camera itself. Now, I love this design with the nice orange accent. It makes it feel like the perfect fashion accessory. Now, of course, Fujifilm includes AA batteries to get you started right out the box. Lastly, there's a quick start guide and warranty information. The guide walks you through loading your film, operating the camera, and getting the most out of its features. Now let's take a look at the design. Fujifilm nailed the unique aesthetic with the Instax Mini 41 instant camera. The black leather-like finish paired with the orange accents feel luxurious, while the gray body adds a touch of elegance. But it's not just about looks. This camera is incredibly portable and lightweight, weighing just 330 grams, that's less than 1 pound. So it's easy to carry around, as you could think of the Instax Mini 41 as much as a fashion accessory as it is a functional camera. Now let's take a closer look at the Instax Mini 41 instant camera and walk through its various parts and features. Starting at the front, we have the lens, which is a 60mm lens. Around there is a ring. You can twist to power on the camera. This is also where you can set the selfie mode on, referred as the close-up mode, and both positions are marked with nice orange accents. Right on the lens, you'll find a built-in selfie mirror, a small but essential feature for framing those perfect selfies. Just over the lens is the flash unit. It's fully automatic, so it adjusts to your surroundings to give you the right amount of light, whether you're indoors or outdoors. Right next to the flash, you'll find the viewfinder. Just under the viewfinder is the shutter button. It's positioned perfectly for quick, easy access, whether you're holding the camera for a selfie or aiming at your subject. On top is the film ejection slot. Flipping it around to the back, this is where the magic happens. We have the film door latch that gives you access to the film compartment that holds your Instax Mini instant film cartridges, which will give you 10 instant print per pack. Loading the film is simple. Just match the yellow markers on the film cartridge with the marker inside the camera, and you're good to go. To the right, you'll see the counter window. This handy feature lets you know how many shots you have left before it's time to reload. There is also a nice comfortable thumb rest. On the right side of the camera, you'll find the battery compartment, which houses 2 AA batteries. And finally, on the sides of the camera, there are attachment points for the included wrist strap, giving you a secure and convenient way to carry your Mini 41 wherever you go. Now let's talk features. The Instax Mini 41 is all about simplicity, and there are simple features that can help you capture your images. The camera features fully automatic exposures, meaning the camera adjusts to your surroundings. The camera does the heavy lifting to ensure your photos come out perfectly exposed. Then we have the close-up mode. When you enable the close-up mode, the viewfinder will shift and adjust to the best settings. This gives you a corrected frame for close-up photography. For close-up shots, you can focus as close as 30 centimeters, but have to stay within 50 centimeters to have sharp photos. That's approximately 1 to 2 feet. This mode is also useful when taking selfies. Now pair that with the built-in selfie mirror and you've got everything you need for sharp, well-framed self-portraits or group shots with friends. One of the best things about the Instax Mini 41 instant camera is its use of Fujifilm's Instax Mini instant film. Each print is about the size of a credit card, small enough to fit in your wallet, but big enough to display cherished memories. Instax has different types of design film, but personally I feel like this Instax Mini contact sheet film goes well with this camera, as the orange matches well with the camera. Now here are some images on contact sheet film. If you're looking for extra protection and style, Fujifilm offers an optional matching case designed specifically for the Instax Mini 41 instant camera. It not only keeps your camera safe, but also features a film pocket to keep your photos safe until you get home. Fujifilm also offers the Instax Up smartphone app, which anyone can download for free to their smartphone device. That allows you to scan your Instax print and digitize them. You can change the design of the app from the settings. Now personally, I like to set the app to classic mode. Now let me show you how you can scan with this Instax Mini photo that I took with the Instax Mini 41. Now you have to place the image on a flat surface and then make sure that the surface you're shooting on is not the same color as the film border. One thing that I like is that you can scan design film like this contact sheet film. Make sure the green box is aligned with your photo and press scan. You can also remove glares from your photos just like this. Now you can show your images in a list or even like they are stored in a box. You can also share the images you scanned on social media. Now you can keep your photos both in your phone and with your phone and enjoy your own style. So that's our first look at the Instax Mini 41 instant camera. This camera has a lot to offer. Fujifilm has once again delivered a product that's simple, stylish, and seriously fun. Its nostalgic design and user-friendly features and the ability to create tangible memories on the spot makes it a standout choice. Now, what do you think about the Instax Mini 41? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And until next time, c'était Francis pour les Fuji guys.